What's up guys and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna talk about the exchange Bybit. It was created in 2018 and now is currently one of the top 10 centralized exchange. In this video we'll focus on how to deposit and withdraw money in this exchange. First of all, if you don't have an account you have to create it, so to sign up you can find the link in the description. Now you have your account. At first let's see how to deposit money. You have to select buy crypto, and as you can see we have 4 options. If we choose one click buy we can select an amount of fiat like euro or dollars to spend and to receive the corresponding value of a crypto that we choose. On payment methods you can see how many different ways we have to be able to pay. Here you can choose how to pay, and you'll receive the amount of crypto in your spot wallet. The second method is the P2P. This is about sending cryptos or dollars with some people. This is a payment method that I don't really recommend you. The third method is about depositing fiat inside the exchange, and the easiest way to do it is through a bank payment. In this way you'll receive your dollars in 1 or 2 days, and you'll be able to convert your dollars in the cryptos that you prefer. The last method is the crypto deposit. This is the easiest method because it's just about sending some cryptos inside your Bybit wallet. All you have to do is to log in on another exchange like Binance, select a crypto that you want to transfer, and to send it to Bybit address. When you receive your crypto you can easily convert it on another crypto or fiat. Now to withdraw money from Bybit the first step is about the verification of your account. So you have to click here and on account and security. In this page you have to set the identity verification, either Google two-factor authentication. This allows you to withdraw money from Bybit. Now the fastest way to withdraw money is about sending your cryptos to another exchange, to convert this cryptos into fiat and then to withdraw the money from the different exchange, that can be Binance or Coinbase, or the exchange you prefer. So now imagine you have 5 different cryptos on Bybit that are worth $500, you have to convert all these cryptos on a single crypto like Ripple, or Rust, because these cryptos have very low fee when you send them. Now you have to send all the Ripple that you have on Coinbase, and you sell Ripple in exchange of dollars. At this point you can finally withdraw your dollars to your credit card or your bank. So guys, this is how to deposit and withdraw money inside Bybit. I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt leave a comment below and we'll answer you. If you enjoyed the video leave a like, and if you want to follow all our next videos subscribe to the channel. That's it for this video, see you in the next one.